Good morning, everybody. It is 8:35, and I'm headed to court.
Look, I just flipped the switch.
Let's get this out of the way before we have our vacation. My voice is all crazy because all the mucus. But my wife is about to go with me down there, and we got to go pay a fee. So I went to go take my paperwork to the courthouse. I thought it was gonna be a quick go see the cashier, but it's not. I had to go put on some khakis, some dress shoes, and then a button up. I was gonna go show up in shorts and a t-shirt, but I thought, no, maybe if I cover up all these tattoos, it'll be a little bit more lenient. So we'll see. We'll see if that plays a trick. But let's go head over there, take care of this. And then hopefully, I think we'll get to the gym at 8:15-ish tonight, sometime. Or maybe work it into the schedule sometime today. I don't know yet, but we'll figure out when we get there. So I just got home. Court didn't go too bad, but not too good at the same time. But it is what it is. Something I gotta suck up and just move on with the punches. Got myself a Monster. This is my first bit of caffeine for the day. My wife is at a dental cleaning right now. So now I'm going to unload my truck. All that stuff from the concert this past weekend, I have to go and unload all that stuff now. So that's what I'm gonna do. Drink some of this caffeine, then go unload my truck. Now, usually I'd have my little minion do this, but she ain't here right now. She's at my mom's. So I had to go drop her off while we had our errands to run. But let me unlock this truck here. This bass amp is the heaviest. So it's been sitting in here for a minute. Yesterday when I went to go cut my client, he was like, "What, are you a DJ now?" And I'm like, "Nah, bro, I play music." So got this stuff in here. Gonna take it all out. Hopefully the heat didn't really do much damage. But let's get it inside. Now, I know this ain't the best lunch, but I'm kind of busy. I have to go mail off some shirts. But before I do that, we got a tortilla here, 60 calories. One slice of bologna is 80, so I think I'm gonna have like 3 or 4 slices inside of bread, and that's gonna be my lunch right now. And then I'm gonna go head to the post office to get some stuff sent off. So there is the finished product. If I'm correct, it's 300 calories and then a Monster. So the 2 shirts I gotta ship off are right here. We got 2 2XLs, the faded tee. I'm gonna get that to my boy Luis over in Merced, California. Let's get that sent off to him. Now, my fit ain't too much today. Got on a white tee, some black shorts, but I am gonna highlight the fitted we got today. We got a San Diego Padres brown fitted there. And then on the feet, we have the brown, cream, and gray Yeezy foam runners. So as far as the fit goes, that's what we're rocking today. I gotta go to Dollar Tree real quick and get some envelopes. I gotta stop by the shop to get a blade. And then after that, to the post office. So let's get these stuff sent off today. Here at Dollar Tree, let's go get some envelopes. So they only have one of what I'm looking for. So I have this little envelope, which I'm gonna use for the blade I'm sending. But I'm looking for some bigger envelopes they don't have here. So I have to go check another Dollar Tree. And then, yeah, go find another Dollar Tree. But I'm gonna buy this here though. Extra blade, the extra trunk blade, gonna send it to somebody I know up north from here. So here's what we're sending off, and that is the chunk blade right there. Now this is exactly what I was looking for and needed. Just finished my client I had to do today. Gonna set the alarm and then call it Dunskies here at the shop. My parents are treating tonight, the whole family. There's Jordan. Here's my wife, my brother, his wife, Maddie, little baby. But today I'm going to get the QP with fries. And I got a Coke Zero. And this is all part of this. So it's 11 bucks. All that for $11. Can't even do that at McDonald's. We are home. It is 10:59. Have an early morning. We didn't get to go to the gym today. Yesterday was just really busy. Today was busy. And then we ended up having dinner with my parents and my brother and his wife and family. I don't remember the last time we actually went all out to eat together or all had dinner together. Like going out, it's been a minute because my dad works, I work, brother works. So my mom invited us out tonight, so we took advantage of her generosity, enjoyed dinner, broke bread with the family, and so I'm gonna get to the gym in the morning. I have to be to work by 9, so my daughter has to be to practice by 8:30 for her basketball camp, and yeah. So my plan is to be up by 5:40 to be to the gym by 6. So we're gonna make it happen. But I'll see you guys in the morning. The gym parking lot is stupid packed today. But it don't look too busy inside. So I think we're gonna be all right today. I'm doing back, maybe throwing biceps, but for sure back. What's up, guys? So I did a back workout today. I did a total of 5 exercises. One of the exercises I did was a high row on the machine, but the camera angle I got, it doesn't have any of the workout in it. It has like the top of the mirrors, so you can't see nothing. So I just totally messed that up, but it is what it is. Got in there, 4 sets per exercise, 10 to 12 reps per exercise. Trying to go up in weight, and I went up in weight today, so that's good. And then I did 45 minutes of cardio. So now it's time to go home, get ready, take my daughter to her basketball practice, like camp thing at the high school. And then it's crazy to think that my daughter is going to be in high school, not this year, but the year after that. She'll be a freshman. That's crazy to me. I'm getting old, but I think old is a state of mind. But besides that, I got a 9 o'clock at the shop, and then I have like, I think 8 or 9 appointments today. So I'll show you guys some of that footage and let you guys see with some of those haircuts. Tomorrow I have a fully booked day, and your boy is getting a haircut. I had one of my partners at the shop clean me up Saturday because I wore a suit on Sunday. I always just think that wearing a suit and not having a haircut doesn't look good. So I had to get my hair cleaned up so I could wear the suit. And then tomorrow, I'm actually getting a full haircut from my boss. Now, my boss usually, or Luis, are the ones that I usually go to before I go out of town for a haircut. I just really enjoy getting haircuts from them. They know my head very well. So they are master at giving me the blurriest fade possible. But other than that, let's go get changed and get to work. I'm tired. What's up, guys? You know it's time for the fit check. So we're gonna start off with the fitted. So we got a Bison's fitted right there, size 7.5. It has like a pink underlying and then like an orange font on it. So with that, I thought I would pair it with just a basic white tee, and then also we got some khakis there. We got the khakis on. We have the white Adidas socks, and we got the Easy 350s. So the pink under the cap, I thought would match like the main part of the shoe, and then the orange font on the not the orange font, the orange accent on the strap back there, I thought would match the font on the hat there. So that was the go-to for the outfit today. So let's get to chopping some heads. I am the first one at the shop today, which is not something usual. Ever since I started going to the gym, I've been into the shop about 10 a.m. So I haven't been able to open up the shop in a while. I used to be the first one here all the time. I'd be here at 8 in the morning cutting hair. But health is wealth, and we're trying to get right. So that's what we're on now. But gonna get these TVs all on right here and get ready for my first client. You can see the J Blends over there. I got the T-Pop stuff on deck. But let's get to work. Man, oh man, today was a doozy. Lots of clients. Had a great day at the shop. I didn't really get to get much footage because I really just wanted to be present today with my haircuts and talking to my clients, and had a lot of good conversations. I did get some footage for one, but overall I just wanted to just be there, be present, be in the moment, talk to my clients, let them know that, hey, you can come here to talk. And because a lot of times I don't want to be down on myself and be like, I just make content and that's it, and cut hair, and I just ignore my clients. But sometimes I'm so focused on content that I don't really have the deep conversations that clients really want to be having with me. And I think I'm stealing away from that sometimes. So today I was like, you know what? Conversations, that's what it's going to be. That's what it is. Got a little bit of footage, but now I am headed to practice. And then I'm going to clean up my boys, cut them up, and get them nice and, tidied up before we head to Miami on Thursday. But 2 more sleeps and we on the road. 2 more sleeps and we on the road to Florida. So I can't wait. But let me get home and get to practice. Here's the weapon of choice today. The bass guitar. Slapping the bass. Drummer. What are you, piano or singer today? Piano. We got Danny. Now, I always mention Danny in the vlog. Or not Danny, I always mention Andrew in the vlogs as a California auto salesman. Here is the main man himself. Here it is. So if you're in the Amarillo area and you need a vehicle, go to
2515 Southeast 10th Avenue, or call me 806-206-8160. We got you.
They're gonna take care of you. This guy right here, Andrew, is the most slept on person. Whoa, too close to the monitors. Huge shout out to the sound guy, the guy behind the scenes, making sure that everybody sounds good. Look at him. Look at him.
The hot one.
Look at him. What do you say?
I said the hot one.
So I just got done with practice, and we got Kai in the chair. What are you getting?
Haircut.
For?
Miami trip.
Haircut for Miami trip. And we got Mr. Rice Boy himself too. What's in there? What you got in there?
Chicken and rice.
Chicken and rice. Boys about the gains. But let's get these boys cut up. You see them before? Look at them. Scruffy teddy bears. Look like hobos. We better change that for them. So here's Michael, my oldest boy's haircut. We gave them both comb overs. Tapered them up. Tapered the neck. Look down. Tapered the neck. And tapered the other side. And we have Kai. Same haircut. Bit him a little bit with the trimmers, but it's because he don't sit still. But there's his haircut. Like it? Are you mad at me? Oh, okay.
We're sleeping in the living room tonight. We're building a fort.
That'll do it for this video. Appreciate everybody for tuning in. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Smash the like button, share, and post notifications. Today was a long day. But look, my hat's even all crazy. That's how long it was. But we got through it. Practice was good. My boys, though, pissed me off. If you're a barber and you cut your own kids' hair, you know the struggle of cutting their hair. It's very difficult because you have less patience with your own kids, I feel like, than other kids. But Jordan, say good night.
Good night.
Say subscribe to Dad's channel.
The dad.
Say pretty, please.
Please.
Say God bless.
God bless.
Like she said, hit that subscribe button. Day number 27 in the books. We got day 28. We got 29 and 30 still, and we're done with the challenge. Yeah, but that'll do it for tonight. God bless.